When the NHS said they wanted a new wheelchair for children and teenagers, they came to the designers at this firm in Leicester. The Renfrew Group has designed bits for garden hoses, right through to lawnmowers and Triumph motorbikes. The brief they gave Mike Phillips was simple.
One of the most striking things was, when we were given the brief initially, was one kid in particular said, "No one sees me, they just see the stupid chair because it's so big." So we set out to try and make it as small and compact and cool as it is.
There were also two other problems with traditional chairs. People who use them aren't at the same eye level with their non-wheelchair using peers. And children grow up, so they'd need a bigger chair. This one is called a C4L, a chair for life.
So the great thing about the chair is, as the child grows up, you can attach a larger seat to suit their size. The seat can go up and down, so they talk to their mates at eye level. And when they go outside, the wheels can extend automatically, so it's more stable.
And it's that point of being at the same height which came up time and time again with the students at Hereward College in Coventry who've been advising the designers.
That is the number one priority. I always would like people to be at the same eye level as me. It's quite scary when they're kind of towering over you and you're kind of like that. And this chair obviously allows you to go at their eye level rather than coming down to you, because that can also be quite intimidating as well.
The queue's busy in a shop or in a pub, and sometimes I don't get noticed and I have to shout really loud in order for the shopkeeper or whoever so I can get their attention. So with this chair, if the seat goes up and down, that's an advantage.
You're at the same height as the people, so you don't feel less intimidated by people standing over you, because I find that really intimidating at times when people do that.
I feel like I'm doing now, sorry.
It's all right.
And with it being smaller, the designers and the students hope people will notice the person and not the chair.
I like this design. They can see you more than the chair. It's paramount that people see you rather than focus on the chair, because you've still got your own feelings and your own opinions about things. So please, please, please see us rather than the chair.
The design team are now talking to manufacturers, and the NHS hopes this chair will go into full production. Mark Goff, ITV News, Leicester.